Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through keyframing. This is a document that was passed out in class with the steps for how to keyframe. It's also available in Blackboard if you need it. So you're going to open Premiere Pro as usual. You will be prompted to log in if you're using a school's computer, so be ready for that. You'll click New Project, name your project, and then of course, make sure that you save it to the appropriate location, aka the folder you've already made for this project on your external drive, where you're going to save all the media files related to the project. You will import your files, drag them onto your timeline, make sure you have Effect Controls open, and be sure to select the file that you'd like to work with. Tumble open the Motion FX to see position and scale. You're going to want to scale and position the file as to how you please. Then you're going to click the stopwatch next to position and scale. This is what will create the keyframe. Then you'll move your playhead to the end of the file. You will then, of course, scale and position again as you please. There's two different ways to do this, whether it be double-clicking the file and stretching it or shrinking it how you need. Or as you'll notice in Effect Controls, next to position and scale, you'll see some different numbers. This is just how to move it left and right, up and down, and make it bigger or smaller. You'll notice rotation, that is currently at 0 because we have not rotated it, but we will go over an example of how to do so. We'll be doing those same steps again with another dog. Again, as I just explained, you can adjust the numbers next to position and scale. That is another way to do this. Just double clicking and stretching or expanding is just a little shortcut. With this dog, we're going to try out some rotation, and we'll zoom in because why not? Move your playhead to the end of the file, again, scale and position and rotate as you please, and now we see this super cute dog rotating and spinning. But that is the basics of keyframing. This will be really important in these upcoming projects for this class. Now this video has been sped up just for time, but this to show you that keyframing is just one of those skills that you have to practice, and if you don't practice it, it'll fall out of habit. If you have any questions, feel free to pop by my office hours. This keyframing document is in Blackboard if you're in COM 324 nonlinear video editing. Thanks for watching.